Model, 64-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Cdti long wheelbase, body, silver, panel van mileage, 90,814 MOT, the 18th of October 2023 engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhp EUR05B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect, slightly underpowered injector number 1 will need replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is below average. Rear load area is below average. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £4,425. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,